they divided the subtraction up into a whole bunch of different problem types. So normally I'd give you 3, but I shortened it up because we had a bunch of subtraction. Technically, the rule for subtraction is adding the opposite. So on Alex, this is what they're going to do. They're going to make this problem 1 plus -5 and change the subtraction into adding the opposite of what the number was after the minus sign. Well, that's a pain in the butt. Excuse my friends, but that's a pain in the butt. I'm thinking of this the same way I think of adding. Look at your signs. One is positive and one is negative, right? Because there's a negative in front of that 5. So my rule is to subtract and take the sign of the larger one. 1 minus 5 is going to give me -4, right? My bigger one was negative and I have to subtract. Same thing here. On Alex, they're going to rewrite it as -3 plus a -8. Subtraction is adding a negative. And so my signs are the same. My signs are the same. My rule, add and keep the sign. -11. So I don't do all this craziness Alex does. I just think about my rules for adding and say, okay, that has a negative in front, that has a negative in front. My signs are the same. Add and keep the sign. So -7 minus 4 would be -11. Here I have 2 minus 5. One is positive, one is negative. Subtract and take the sign of the larger. So -3.